How to share screen on Zoom. Want to show your presentation on desktop in Zoom? Let's share your screen step by step. So first, join or start a Zoom meeting. You need to be inside the meeting before you can share your screen. And then in here at the bottom of your page, you should find the share button. So click on this and then go ahead and select which screen you want to share. So for example, you want to share a specific tab. Simply click on this and then click on share. So you can also enable this also share tab audio to be able to share the tab audio to those individuals on your meeting. You can also disable this if you prefer that and then click on share, and then your screen will then be shared on the meeting. So at the top of your name, you should find this your screen sharing to be able to confirm that you're sharing your screen. And that is how to share screen on Zoom.